access granted.
What is up, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a quick update on why I haven't been uploading this past week. And well, to tell you the honest truth, guys, Saturday for All-Star Weekend, the beginning of that morning, I got really sick to my stomach and I just was not feeling the best. I got chills, got a fever, then I came out to have a cold and a sore throat. So that completely ruined my entire All-Star Weekend basically. But you gotta also remember that starting from last week before that, on a Sunday, I was already out getting shoes. And like I said, I just wasn't sleeping as much as I should. I was obviously too focused on getting shoes and being the first one in line to make sure that I secured my pair. And throughout the entire week of me sleeping maybe 8 hours, it probably didn't do that well for my body to just get enough rest, enough sleep, and then I was out in the cold, which probably didn't help either, you know what I'm saying? So All-Star Week though was a success. Huge shout out to my friend James for helping me out with some information, as well as other people. I was able, to get a lot of shoes, as you guys seen in my previous video. I got the Jordan 185s, as well as a beginnings pack. And then recently, I didn't make a video on this yet, but I was able to get 3 pairs of Jordan Off-White 5. Now you're probably wondering, how am I able to get all these shoes? Well, I get asked this a lot, and to be honest with you guys, I think it just had to do with me creating several accounts and then me getting them leveled up to X3 tier. And then within that week, I probably spent about $2,000 or $3,000 on each account. So that just says a lot on how much you spend. The more of a chances you're able to reserve a pair or something like that that is really exclusive. Now, I would have done more better. Obviously, like I said, I was sick Saturday morning, so I didn't have the best energy. I was already up since 3 o'clock in that morning, and I was just trying to get up, go to a Nike Foot Locker in Chicago, whatever, and then just pick up my pairs and stuff like that. But that's probably like the best advice I can give you. Just keep spending money and get your level account to X3, and then from there, just do different safe sizes. Like I picked sizes for the Off-Whites, it was 7, 10, and 11, and I was able to claim them. I know a lot of people had issues with the app because they needed to confirm it using a Android phone. So huge shout out to my mom, because she's actually the one that helped me with that. And obviously I have an iPhone, so I would have taken out if I didn't know about that information. So again, it's probably safe to have an Android phone and an iPhone at the same time, because when stuff like this happens, you just never know, and it's something that you just gotta be prepared for. But yeah, guys, this was just a quick little update. The little video I'm gonna be showing you guys next, probably gonna be showing you guys how to cop for this week's Supreme, as well as how to cop the Pine Green ones and the Yeezy 700s, the orange version ones. I forgot what the name was called. But I'll be making a video on that, probably be posting that tomorrow, so you guys have a 24-hour in advance or 48 hours to get your setup going and stuff like that. So just be prepared to see that. But I just want to give you guys a quick update on what had happened and why I didn't vlog my entire All-Star Weekend for Saturday and Sunday, because I was obviously sick. But if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. And if you guys can do me a huge favor and go check out my social media on my Instagram at SellSneakerz and give me a follow. And then check out my recent success, like I said, that I posted on the Off-Whites, the Jordan 185s, and the beginnings pack, which is all on my Instagram page. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for the support. I am going to be continuing making more videos. Obviously, I'm going to be doing more live cops and probably doing more vlogs. That way you guys can see my personal life experiences with me going in-store, like I said, just doing it online and stuff. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the entire video, and I'll see you guys very soon on the next one, showing you guys how you guys can cop the Pine Green ones, as well the Yeezys, and then possibly the Fear Gods, which are also coming out too. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Peace.